everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's your girl Chrystle, and I have Princess.
Rain, she loves me.
Yes, I do love you, Rain. And today, yes, Mr. Handsome.
Making something.
You want to come here? No? Okay, come here. Leave your juice. Leave your juice. Today we are going to be making gingerbread cookies, and we're going to be decorating them. Now,
Mommy,
you got, yes?
Mommy did that for us, and she asked me, and I said yes.
Okay, so I didn't want to make gingerbread cookies from scratch because I didn't want my daughter to be disappointed with how they turned out. So I have this box gingerbread recipe, and you know, we in the Jones home are not shy from using box recipes.
And when it be next time, we're going to my cousin's house.
Later tonight, we are going to be going to her cousin's house. So
later,
this is a really easy recipe. You just have to put 1/4 cup of water. I need to put my water in the cup. And you have to put 3 tablespoons of melted butter and mix it all together. And then we're gonna pour it on a cookie sheet. So let's get that part done. You ready, Rain?
yes.
High five for me. Let's do it. Mr. Handsome is here with his juice, even though I told him not to pick up his juice. Give me this juice. You want your juice? Go sit down. For those of you who don't know, Mr. Handsome is my son. He's 2 years old, and so sometimes he's still learning to understand business.
When he be 3 years old, he's gonna be good.
Oh, he'll be a good boy when he's
yeah,
under 3.
and then
Hopefully before then. I mean, he's not bad now. It's just he don't understand everything. He doesn't always understand everything.
Guys, I'm gonna mix this part.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells good. Alrighty, and now we need 1/4 cups of water, so let me get that. Alrighty, so now we're gonna pour our 1/4 cup of water and our 3 tablespoons of butter.
What are you doing?
And Rain, my amazing helper, is going to mix it up. Let's get the mixer, Rain.
Why is Ricky standing up? Oh,
You want everybody to see him. Here, so go ahead. Remember, you gotta be careful, okay?
Okay. It smells good and it tastes good.
Okay, now wait, you tasted it?
Yes, a little bit. Like this one.
You stuck your finger in it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we won't be sharing these cookies with anybody. You can't, because you can't stick your finger in stuff and then give it to people. You don't do that.
Can I do this? Can I do the patent part?
Once I get it on there, we'll talk about a time where you will be able to pat it. I thought you would probably mostly be doing the decorations.
Oh yeah,
and
I am.
the mixing.
Yeah, I will. I want to do that too, Mom.
Let's see if this is gonna work.
Can I make one too?
Sure.
I'm gonna watch it and then let me get this one. I got this one. Why you did that, Mommy? That's nice. Wait, I'm gonna do that. Where should I do it?
You do it right there.
Okay, yes, that's what that.
Wait. Okay.
Wait.
Well, you did it upside down. That's okay.
Okay.
What shape do you want to do?
One of those because
A bell or a snowman?
A bell.
I think you need a little more dough to do the bell.
You need to do like that. You need help.
That's okay. You could just do
The shape.
Put it down like that. Good job.
And then,
Okay, and then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take the rest of the cookie away. Ta-da!
Yeah.
Don't touch it.
Why?
Because I just washed my hands. I don't know if you just washed your hands.
I did.
Okay, you guys, so we did struggle through that a little bit, but that's all right. We're gonna get these in the oven. I'm gonna show you mine.
I'm gonna show you, and then I'm gonna show you mine.
And let's get them into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes, and we'll be right back.
We got our cookies ready, and we got gumdrops, and we got sprinkles, and we got this.
Yep, icing. So we're gonna decorate them. So let's go ahead. You said you want to start with the white. You can use the white and the blue. Which one do you want to use first?
This right.
Okay.
I'm gonna do mine first.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So our cookies are not as the shapes. Y'all will see at the end.
Okay, Mommy. We're gonna do it together. Guys, look at mine. We did the same thing.
We did. We actually did. We weren't even planning that. But now I need this one. Here, you can use blue.
I was about to. I'm about to do the same thing.
Rain, that's too much. Oh my gosh. So this is how Rain's cookie tray is looking. That's enough. Don't put any more on that one.
Okay.
And this is my cookie tray. Not much better. Just less icing. Not necessarily better, just less icing. Oh, Rain, so you're putting the gumdrops? Why do you want the gumdrops?
Because they're good.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Gumdrops are good. I like them. They taste like Sour Hints.
Oh, they taste like what?
Sour Hints.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna get all. I'm only gonna get the gumdrops.
Okay, you don't want any more sprinkles? Only gumdrops?
Yes, they're really good.
Got it.
Yes. I want to share my cookies with my friend.
Well, remember when you decided to start touching all the cookies with your hands? That eliminated that option. But let's finish decorating and then we'll let everybody see our cookies when we're done. Okay?
Yes.
Alrighty, you guys. So this is our finished cookies. These are mine. Now let me show you Rain's. Hers are so pretty. There's so many gumdrops. Kind of. So these are Rain's.
Wait, no, don't spill the cake. Give it
I'm
back
not
to
gonna.
me.
Okay.
Give it back to me.
Very protective of her cookies. And so I'm gonna bite one just to see how does it taste. It's sweet, but it's not bad. Okay. You gonna taste one, Rain?
Yes.
Take a bite.
I can't take mine.
Okay, you wanna take a bite of one of mine?
Yes. Wait, no, I want this one. Wait, no, you can give me this one.
Okay. It's good? All right, you guys. So Rain says it's good. It's actually decent. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you next time. Peace.
Turn off it.